everyone, my name is Matt Christopher Ancheta
And I'm Christine Moy Kabuhain.
and we're going to discuss about family planning. Ayan, so ang family planning. Pag narinig mo ba ang family planning, ano ang naiisip mo?
Family planning. Ito yung pag-control ng population. Paraan ng pag-control ng population. Teka lang, parang may nakalimutan ako eh. Alam ko kasi may dalawang uri ang family planning.
Oo, meron talaga. At ito ang artificial at natural family planning.
Hi! My name is Laviginam Aligan.
Yes,
Hi!
po.
My name is Christine Cañas. Kami po yung magdi-discuss tungkol sa natural family planning and artificial family planning.
I-differentiate po namin yung natural at artificial family planning.
Bye-bye!
What is family planning? Family planning is a plan that controls sizes of a family. Natural and artificial family planning are two ways of controlling your family sizes. It can help to not achieve more children. What is the difference between natural and artificial family planning?
Natural family planning uses no outside methods to control family size, instead relying on a woman's fertility signs, while artificial have a choice of methods, including male and female, like condoms, sponges, pills, and others. For example, in family planning, natural using method. In China, they proclaim the one-child policy under the rule of law. In expressing it, they have an idea about family planning, so they are not required to use artificial method. They control it by themselves.
Another example are the busy people.
Why?
Instead of having intercourse, they pay their attention to their works. Can we now move on to the example of the artificial method?
Of course, majority of us using contraceptive as their protection. For example, for women, they take pills, right?
Yeah.
And for men, they use condoms and others. Nowadays, there were intake of injectable contraceptive method. Are you aware of that?
Maybe. It is important to us to know this kind of method. It will serve as our guide for our daily lives.
Government must pursue their action about this issue. Are you agree?
Hi guys! I'm Laika Amparo. Ngayon, meron kami ni handang kanta para sa inyo. Ito ay tungkol sa topic natin na family planning. Hi, ako si Erica Guyural.
Ako naman si Mary Rose Piaban. Kami po yung kakanta ng na-research naming song na entitled Lumulobo. Sana mag-enjoy po kayo.
Thank you.
Bakit pa ba papayagan ang hiling ni mga lumulobo? Lumulobo. Bakit pa ba papayagan ang hiling ni Papa Lumulobo? Lumulobo. 1, 2, 3, go. Bakit hindi bigyan ng pansin? Lumulobong pamilya natin. Bakit hindi natin alamin?
Joshua Guevara.
Opo, si Rizal Bernardo at may papakita po kami poster. Ito po ay nagre-represent ng lalaki at ito po sa babae. Ito namang buo yung family planning at itong pakpak, siya yung nasa mga gamot na kailangan para sa safety ng bawat tao. Paliwanag po kanina, meron pong dalawang klase po ng tungkol sa reproductive health. Meron pong natural family planning at artificial family planning. Doon po sa natural, siya po yung hindi mo na kailangan gumamit ng kung ano-ano para hindi lumago yung populasyon dati dito sa Pilipinas. Tapos, yung contraceptives. Ano nga ba yung contraceptives?
Ano ba yung contraceptives? Meron tayong maraming uri ng contraceptives. Isa na dito yung condom. Alam niyo ba yung condom? Condom yung yung ginagamit ng mga lalaki para hindi mabuntis yung babae. Tapos yung isa, pills. Pills naman yung ininom na gamot ng babae para hindi sila mabuntis. Tapos yung pangatlo, hindi ko alam, injection yun eh. Kung ano tawag doon.
Hi, I'm Mikenzo Marquis.
And I'm Christian Sechanko. Dahil na ipaliwanag na namin sa inyo ang dalawang uri ng family planning,
Ito ang natural at artificial family planning. Sana po makatulong ito sa inyo.